In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dotted letter in Microsoft Word. Creating dotted letters in Word is especially useful for worksheets, handwriting practice sheets, tracing activities, or educational materials. Instead of solid text, dotted letters allow students or learners to trace over the characters, helping them improve their writing skills. Microsoft Word makes this possible with just a few simple formatting adjustments. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document or open the file where you want to add the dotted letters. Type the letter, word, or sentence that you want to turn into a dotted style. Next, select the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once the text is highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Font section, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Font dialog box. Inside the font window, look for the Text Effects button and click on it. A formatting panel will appear. Choose the Text Outline option. From there, select a solid line first, then adjust the width if needed. After setting the outline, go back to the Text Outline menu and choose Dashes. Select a dotted dash style. This will change the solid outline of your letters into a dotted pattern. To make the dotted effect clearer, you can remove the text fill. In the same Text Effects section, click on Text Fill and choose No Fill. This leaves only the dotted outline visible, creating a clean tracing effect. After adjusting the appearance, you can resize the text to make it larger for better tracing visibility. Use the Font Size option in the Home tab to increase the size as needed. By using text outline formatting, you can easily create professional-looking tracing letters directly in Microsoft Word. This technique is perfect for teachers, parents, and anyone preparing handwriting practice materials. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.